Alibaba is gaining renewed traction in market discussions as optimism builds around its cloud computing and AI division, driven by a combination of improving hardware access, rapid model adoption, and a shifting narrative around China's domestic AI ecosystem. Reports suggesting eased access to high performance, AI optimized GPUs for China, alongside continued technical progress in Alibaba's DeepSeek and Qwen model families, are fueling bullish sentiment across the community. Investors and traders are increasingly framing Alibaba as a primary beneficiary of a broader re rating of Chinese AI stocks, which many believe remain deeply undervalued relative to their US peers. This shift is tied to growing expectations of rising investor confidence, reduced regulatory overhang, and a long term strategic push toward technological self reliance and AI leadership within China. Against this backdrop, Alibaba's scale, data advantages, and cloud infrastructure position it as one of the strongest plays on that theme. Fresh data has further strengthened the bull case. Alibaba Cloud disclosed that global downloads of its Qwen AI model family surpassed 700 million on the Hugging Face developer platform as of January, highlighting accelerating adoption among developers worldwide. Notably, the company reported that Qwen downloads in December alone exceeded the combined total of the next 8 most popular models on the platform, a striking signal of momentum. Those competing models include offerings associated with major players such as Meta Platforms, OpenAI, and leading Chinese peers like Zipu AI. A key driver of this adoption has been Alibaba Cloud's aggressive open source strategy. By releasing QN models across a broad range of sizes and performance tiers, Alibaba has made it easier for developers to deploy AI solutions tailored to specific workloads, from lightweight applications to large scale enterprise use cases. This flexibility has helped QN gain traction not only in China, but also internationally, reinforcing Alibaba's relevance in the global open model ecosystem. On the infrastructure side, reports that Alibaba is seeking to purchase more than 200,000 NVIDIA H200 GPUs underscore the company's ambition to scale its language models and cloud AI capabilities aggressively. If realized, such a move would mark a significant investment in compute capacity at a time when advanced chip supply remains constrained. For Alibaba Cloud, securing this level of hardware would be a critical step in supporting enterprise AI demand and maintaining competitiveness against global hyperscalers. Taken together, the combination of surging QN adoption, improving compute access, and a more constructive macro and geopolitical narrative is reshaping how the market views Alibaba. For many in the community, the company now represents not just a China reopening or value play, but a core AI infrastructure and platform story, one that could benefit disproportionately as confidence in the Chinese AI sector continues to recover.
Okay, the stock is up 10.46%. This is Monday, the 12th of January 2026. Let's see, intraday high 167.52 printed today. Let's see, volume so far way more than more than double its 50-day average. Okay, underlying trend is okay, yeah, bullish, still bullish anyway. The stock before it was contracting the expansion that ended on the early October. It was contracting it the whole of November, the whole of December, and this time around, from from Thursday the 8th, it began to expand. Okay, we'll see how it goes. The extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it might maintain the strength going all the way towards the 10th of February, and the 40-day moving average is also expected to keep rising to contain any pullback that might happen. On this 4 hour chart, momentum is also expected to remain elevated up till Monday, the 26th of January. And then after that, it might weaken somewhat and then maybe attempt to pick up again. Projections are currently saying, let's see what we have, 119.58, 119.58. All of them are all downward projections. Remember, we saw this intraday high here of 167.52. Let's see what we have on its weekly chart. Okay, yeah, high prices are expected to keep printing, going all the way towards the 8th of June. Projections here are saying nothing to the upside, but not very long ago, as of the 11th of August, they had up to 190.22, 206.35. Let's see what we have on its 4 hour chart. Yeah, high prices are expected to keep playing out up till the 20th of January. Okay, projections are not saying anything to the upside. We have previous projections of 170.24, 177.97, 182.75. We can use the market grid to give us freshly computed possible prices, especially going by what has just happened right now, what is going on right now, what is prevailing. Okay, let's see whether it will retest 167. Okay, it has 150, 169, 169.52. It printed 167, so a $2 premium to the intraday high it printed today. And the bottom is 161.96. But as things stand right now, there's a chance that profit taking may be going on. It's advancing towards 167.63, trying to retest its 52 its intraday high. So at this sort of stage on this grid, high prices may continue to print, but at the same time, profit taking is also going on. So it may not be the most fantastic time to jump back into the stock. If it does, consolidate or anything like that, it might provide an opportunity for you to get in. But if you think it's a long term play, well, it's all up to you. You could decide whether you want to jump in now or not. Okay, so see what you make of Alibaba stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.